morning, guys. Hi, I am Michelle from Michelle's Home. It is Sunday, 1:10 in the afternoon. Our meal prepping. I'm doing sweet potatoes, chicken, and some broccoli, potatoes. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that like and subscribe for me. I would appreciate it. And some sweet potatoes. It's so good. I usually would do it with knives, but I thought with a peeler. As I let my utensil drawer out. So yeah, it just gives me a nice peel. I might get another pepper because I want a lot of this in the fridge for when I got some peppers in there. I need to cut those up. I'll do that next week and freeze it. Alright, y'all, so my potatoes are, I'm going to boil some and I'm going to saute some on profile. I'm going to put broccoli, and once these potatoes get done, put them on the pot. Chicken. sauteed chicken, my sauce, and peppers, and then I got the fried potatoes with chicken, broccoli, sauce, and onion.